Alright guys, welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. We got a special treat for you. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I go out cop watching a lot, and since I've gone out there, I've seen that there's a lot of bootlicker channels that have started popping up. They consider themselves streamers or whatnot. These guys, in my opinion, are they're no good. And what else can I say? These guys try to get shots of bodies on the floor just so that they can sell stuff to the news. It's like they're cheap. You know what I mean? This bottom feeders is what I think of when I, see these guys. But they have their own opinions of us on what we do. And like I said, I have a special treat for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys some clips of these bootlicker channels when they're out there and they see us, what they say and how they behave. In their eyes, police can do no wrong. And we're bad people because we believe in the First Amendment of the Constitution. Those guys want to pass by sometimes and, flip us off or say some things like this. What's that? What's that? What was that?
Leave the cops alone, man.
Why?
No reason to harass the cops.
I know, but hey, stop harassing me.
Get into an accident for no reason.
Yeah, licking boots and almost causing an accident, guys. Look at that. Yeah, this guy, had his kid in the car and he cussed us out and took off and almost killed his kid in a car accident and almost killed somebody else as well. But these guys consider themselves good people because they support the police. But I want to tell you guys something. In many of their channels, you will see that they advocate for violence.
I couldn't do that job and just keep my cool.
No, I'd slap the fuck out of them.
Against the people. When in reality, we don't advocate for violence at all. In fact, if you truly understand your natural rights and how important they are and what they mean, you will see that it's all about not really creating a victim. As long as I do no harm to you, you do no harm to me, we got no problems. So, I believe in the First Amendment, and I believe that these guys have a right to talk trash about me when they see me out there. That's okay, as long as we don't cross the line. And I gotta tell you, I've duked it out with a couple of these guys before, so I don't know if you guys ever seen that one, but that one was a good one. So anyhow, like I said, you guys are gonna really enjoy this. So here it is.
When you return to quarters, call ETiedeman.
Oh, look, they're gonna start blocking those guys out. Look, see, I told you they're getting away, and then look, now he's putting tape up. See, I told you guys. These guys, they do it on purpose. Now look, they're gonna hassle him now. Oh, officer almost tripped. I told you. Why are they blocking out the cops crew? No, they ain't no cops crew. Those are First Amendment auditors. Watch, he's gonna go around. He's gonna go around. I'm telling you, these are dodos. Nah, Tara, I ain't seen that. No males exit anything.
They didn't see any males get extracted from the vehicle, but we did. You want to know why that is, folks? Because those bootlicker channels, those streamers, they're all afraid to get out of their cars and go see what's happening. They're afraid of police. If police officers tell them, go across the street, they'll say, yes, sir, officer. And a lot of times, I've actually been out there on calls where they scream to the cops from across the street and they say, good job, officers. And they have, I'm sorry, guys, but they have blue jizz coming out of their mouths when they're screaming that stuff. It's disgusting. But yeah, there's at least 3 bootlicker channels that are parked back there. And you guys are going to see that they talk a lot of crap. Enjoy the video, folks.
Is he seriously interfering with their...
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
He's shining his flashlight on the officer's face, and what is he even saying to him?
Is there a reason why you gotta play games like a child?
guys can get
All
your
the lights
flashlight
on. Try to blind our cameras.
Aren't you the one that started with the lights?
All the
Can I get your name and badge number?
1301.
1301. What's your last name?
Phillips.
Phillips, 1301.
You cannot be serious right now.
Yes, I'm dead serious. They're auditors. They're stupid little kids with cell phones arguing with the police.
For what reason? They're doing their job.
Because they weren't raised right,
Go
baby.
left a tiny bit on that one. I just wanted to see what I'm talking about. Just scroll a tiny bit to show him real fast.
He's not worth my
I just
camera.
want to show them what I'm talking about.
All right, see these guys?
No, don't see these guys. I don't know what the other two are doing. The one right there.
They're all together, Nicole. I know what they're doing. They're all together. They're auditors.
Anyway, the one right there in front of the brick wall was just had his flashlight in the officer's eyes, lighting up his face.
See? This one's doing it again. Look.
Oh, now he got a flashlight out, and they're saying a bunch of something. Strange lunatic, good to see you. Even if they're an auditor, like, what are they even saying right now?
They're smart-mouthed little kids with a cell phone.
Okay, but auditors, don't they, like, try to, like, prove that the police are doing something
Maybe
wrong?
if they're, like, mature, right? But these are kids. This guy's got to be at school at, like, 8:30 in the morning.
That's a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other two are not.
Well, he probably didn't make it far in school, so he's not got to worry about being there. You guys have to excuse me. I don't play that stuff.
I get that, guys, but, like, I was just trying to figure out what exactly they were trying to call the officer out on, because he wasn't doing anything other than his job.
Alright, you gentlemen, to slide this way, please. That'd be fine.
I'm going this way.
That's absolutely fine. Just keep walking. Okay, we have case integrity that we are trying to maintain. Okay?
I don't want to hear it, man. Save it.
That's fine.
Just save it.
Yeah.
Just identify as a matter of fact.
Can you do me a favor and give me crime scene tape?
Can you identify as a matter of fact?
What's that?
Can you identify as a matter of fact?
Sergeant Robert Woods, Bakersfield Police, badge number 1098.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate it. I'm setting my crime scene tape up. I'm gonna need you guys to stand behind it, okay?
Go ahead, man.
What's the crime?
Yeah, what's the crime?
Who's the victim? You guys are not involved, so you guys will be known when you guys read the newspaper. Wow, who's
You trying to keep the cameras back or what? What are you trying to hide?
I'm trying to protect the integrity of my crime scene.
The integrity of your crime scene? Listen to you.
You're right, citizen, they do. Everybody wave at Michael. Oh, I forgot he's on a delay a little bit, huh? Oh, I almost hit the camera. Everybody's waving, Michael.
That's just completely ridiculous. It makes me sick.
What? Why are they getting caution tape off?
To keep them kids out of the way.
Oh, that makes sense. Really? So stupid that they have to stop their...
Robert Woods, Bakersfield Police, badge number 1098.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate it. I'm setting my crime scene tape up. I'm gonna need you guys to stand behind it, okay?
Go ahead, man.
What's the crime?
Yeah, what's the crime?
Who's the victim? You guys are not involved, so you guys will be known when you guys read the newspaper. Wow, who's
You trying to keep the cameers back or what? What are you trying to hide?
I'm trying to protect the integrity of my crime scene.
The integrity of your crime scene? Listen to you. Listen to you.
Now you're trash, bro.
Listen to you.
That's cute. You're trash now. You were cool when you were there. Now you're trash. That's fine. I can call names to you, but
Is this what a bad cop looks like right here?
no,
Is this what a bad cop right here looks like?
not at all, actually.
You can't impede the flow of the sidewalk, right?
Okay.
I'll keep my mouth shut. Sherry, no, a viewer.
Oh, officer almost tripped.
I can't believe what I'm watching.
Well, they grew up in a home
Wait.
without respect, and then they take it to the streets.
you turn the radio down? I'm gonna crack the window. I want to hear what he's saying.
I don't really care
I know,
anything
but I wanna
that
hear.
dude's got to say.
I still want to hear.
Watch where you're going. Hey, why are your eyes all red? Are you on drugs?
Always.
Watch your steps, stupid.
Yep. What the fuck you doing?
If you'd have been kinder, we might have helped you out.
That means your help, sir.
Yeah.
And now he's gonna go inside
I know, I
there
seen
and
that.
around.
He just walked through the car wash.
One Central 3. Stein and Ming, 7 Henry 04194. And a gray pickup.
What is it?
Hi, Heather.
Hooters?
One Central 3, no stop expired 2001
Just what you see.
Release of liability out of Elwood.
They're following him and keep doing the flashlight right in his eyes.
Yep, those are the kind of people that make it bad on everybody else, guys.
They're still harassing him. Like right there, like what? A couple feet from his face with a flashlight. I couldn't do that job. And just keep my cool.
No, I'd slap the fuck out of them.
Look at, they're like taunting him and like all of them are running their mouth. Listen,
Well,
I'm gonna roll this down again. I want to hear this.
It's because they know that he can't do nothing.
Wait,
You know
quiet
what
for
I
a sec.
mean? They prey on the weak.
Going westbound Olive from Victor. CBC violation. And no traffic. Current speed is 60.
They won't do nothing to that officer if we all leave, right?
On channel 2, code 33 on channel 2 on Victor, currently westbound.
Wait till he gets in his car.
What's that? What was that?
Leave the cops alone, dude.
Why?
No reason to harass the cops.
I know, but hey, stop harassing me.
Get into an accident for no reason.
Yeah, licking boots and almost causing an accident, guys. Look at that.
Now yielded. 102 vehicle yielding.
Alright guys, so like I said, this was a treat because we get to see how they think of us when we're all out there. And like I said, police can do no wrong in their eyes. And there's a lot of videos out there where police are violating somebody's civil rights, police brutality, and for some reason, I don't know why. Are these guys not getting notifications? Are they not seeing these videos, you know, pop up? Are they just skipping it so where they're like, oh, it's too much for me. It's just one bad cop. It's one bad cop. He's making them all look bad. But no, guys, it's patterns don't lie. And the reason that there are bad police officers out there, it's because of the policies that allow them to misbehave this way. Like, I understand something, guys. Like, I understand arguments on the both sides, and I gotta tell you that, is there racism in policing? Yes. Is that the problem in policing? No. It is a problem, yes, but it's not the problem. Because let's say we wave a magic wand to get rid of all the racists today. Tomorrow we gotta create new signs and wave them in the streets and say, let's get rid of the narcissists, because there are cops out there right now who believe that they are absolutely better than you, better than everybody, and they just have it out for anybody. So think about that, guys. It's the policies that allow them to misbehave. I can give you 3 policies right now that we could put it on the table. We could examine these policies, we could readjust them, and police unions, internal investigations, and qualified immunity, guys. And we also need to make police officers pay for their own insurance. That way, when they get sued, the money comes out of their pockets, not your pockets. So with that being said, I hope you guys appreciated this video. Thank you guys for watching. subscribe and hit the bell, because this is what we do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.